In this video, I'm going to explain CPA marketing for beginners, and I'm going to answer the questions: what is it, how does it work, and how can you make money with CPA marketing as a beginner? I'm going to answer all of those questions in one big video, so make sure you watch it all the way until the end, and I hope you do take value from this video. So the first question: what is CPA marketing and how does it work? So you may have heard people throwing around CPA marketing as a way that beginners can make money online. And I agree, it was the first way that I made money online, so it is very beginner friendly. But it basically means, and CPA marketing stands for cost per action marketing. It essentially means you get paid when you get somebody to complete an action. So here's a definition from a website, and it says, online advertising payment model, which payment is based solely on qualifying actions such as sales or registrations. So CPA marketing is great for beginners because we'll forget about the sales, we'll just focus on the registrations. All we need to do is get someone to register for a website, or download an app, or essentially just complete any action which doesn't require the customer to pay. So that's CPA marketing in a nutshell. But now how do we find these companies and the offers which will pay us to get people to register for their websites? Well, that's where CPA Marketing Networks come in, and you can join any of these networks that I'm about to show you, and there are loads of different networks which you can join. So I've got 3 CPA marketing networks on screen here. I'm a member of all of them, and you can just sign up for whichever one you wish. The first one is maxbounty.com. MaxBounty is more aimed at intermediate to advanced marketers, so you can join this one once you've got a couple of sales with the others that I'm about to show you. The next one is CPA Grip. Now, CPA Grip is the first ever CPA marketing network that I joined. They accept beginners, it's easy to sign up, you don't have to go for an interview or you don't have to get approved. You can just sign up for CPA Grip straight away and get access to CPA offers. This is the one that I'm going to show you around in this video. And then the third one is OG Ads, and they focus more on mobile offers. OG Ads is more of getting people to download mobile apps, and then you get paid from that. So the CPA network that I'm going to cover is CPA Grip, although I have made videos on all of these CPA networks. They're on my channel if you want to check them out. So once you've gone ahead and registered for these networks, and by the way, you can just go ahead and click on register, and all you need to do is simply enter in these fields here. You can see you don't need a company to join this one. You don't need to give them a website. You just simply need to go ahead and fill this in, and then you can create your account on CPA Grip. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account now. So here I am inside of CPA Grip, and all of these networks look different, but they all have offers that you can choose. They're just in different places on the website. So CPA Grip has a public chat, and you can see this person's earned 67,000 in all-time revenue. This person's earned 7,000. And on this chat, there are people talking about what methods they're using and how much money they've made. This person's made nearly $500,000 from CPA Grip doing CPA marketing. Now, I'm not saying you're going to earn that much as a beginner, but it gives you an idea of what is actually possible here, 11,000 and so on. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to Offer Tools and go to My Offers. And this is if you're on CPA Grip. Again, this works on any CPA network. The process of finding offers is generally the same. Now, generally what you'll see is you'll see a country that you can promote to, and then you'll see categories here. So if you go ahead and change the country to the US, because a lot of the traffic on the internet is coming from US, and US traffic converts the best and also pays the best, you'll then see offers which you can promote. So some of these are mobile offers, some of these are desktop offers, and then next to it you'll see the categories. So this is a mobile install, this is an email submit, which means someone has to enter in their email, and so on. You can go ahead and scroll through these and have a look. Now, CPA Grip doesn't have loads of offers, unlike MaxBounty, but it is a great starting point to earn some money and to get some experience with CPA marketing. So maybe you want to go ahead and promote this one, which is get a $100 Walmart gift card. So when you click on it, you'll see that the payout is $1.37, and it is in fact an email submit offer. And we know that because it says here email/zip submit. So all someone has to do is enter in their email. And then if we wanted to preview this offer and just take a look at it, take a look at how it works, we would just simply copy the landing page, and then we can paste it into a new tab. So just go ahead and paste it in. So here is the offer, win a $100 Walmart gift card. It's a gift card giveaway. And when someone enters in their first name, last name, and email, you're going to get paid $1.37. And that's how you'll make money with this offer. So like I said before, you don't have to sell anything. You don't have to get anybody to buy anything or give any credit card details. You get paid when someone enters in their email. That's why it's so good for beginners, because you get 10 people per day to enter in their email. You're going to earn $13 per day. And that doesn't sound like a lot, but $13 per day is like what, $300 or so per month. And it all starts to add up. And obviously you can scale this to 20 people per day, 30 people per day, and so on. So now you've got your offer, how exactly would you go about and promote it? So there are different ways, and different people on YouTube are going to tell you different methods. You can go ahead and search CPA marketing tutorial and see some of these methods. Now, a lot of people are giving you like really rubbish methods on spammy websites, which are never going to make you any money. I'm going to give you a method right now which actually works. So that method is to go ahead and go to Facebook. So once you're on Facebook, go ahead and go to the search bar in the top right hand corner, and then just do a search for giveaway. And then click enter, and that will then obviously search for giveaway. Now what you need to do is go ahead and go to groups, which is at the bottom here, and then you're going to see all of these giveaway groups which you can join. So I want you to open these in a new tab, and maybe open about 5 of these. So just go ahead and open these groups. I'll do 3, and then if you go ahead and go to about, you can then scroll down. You can then go to see all under members. And then if you scroll down again, you're going to get people who are new to these giveaway groups, who obviously joined 28 minutes ago, 36 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago. And what you can do, you can message these people saying you have a free Walmart giveaway. So we want to go to their profile. We can then go ahead and message them, and you would just simply message them and say, hi, I've got a free link to a $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. Do you want to enter it? Here's the link. Once you've done that, they're then going to either ignore you completely, they're going to speak to you and ask you about the giveaway, where you can then convince them, or they're just going to go ahead and click on the giveaway straight away and enter it. And when they do enter it, you're going to earn $1.37. And you can do this for any CPA marketing giveaway offer here. So that's been the method. That's been CPA marketing in a nutshell. If you've got any questions about CPA marketing, make sure you put them in the comment section below and I'll try and answer you. Thank you for watching. Watch this video here if it does interest you, and I'll see you in the next one.